So now, assuming that the information has been sent to the default gateway, so the default gateway on this time at this point is on this router, and so our router, which is R1, should be, so R1 should have some networks which is connected to it, and from this angle, we can see that R1 is connected to 172.16.1.0 network. Is also connected to 172.16. This network, which is 4.0 network, is also connected to 172.16.5.0. But the place we want to get to is 172.16.2.0. And since it's not directly connected to it, so this device is connected to 3 networks. Since it's not directly connected to it, the idea is that somebody, is either you, the network engineer, so the network administrator, would have to make sure this particular network, which is missing, this one and this one, will be known by R1. So every missing network within our enterprise network should be known by this router if we have to send information to it. And so there are 2 ways of doing it. It's either we going into the devices. So we're going into this device and say that, hey, this is the missing network that you need to know about, 172.16.2.0, and then also 172.16.3.0. And in order for you to get there, we're saying that in order for this guy, this router to get there, we tell this device that in order for you to get there, you need to go through 172.16.4.2. And also that's in order for this guy to get to this network, we're saying that he has to go through 172.16.5.3. And so these are the various ways you can use to get into the particular locations. And the approach where the network engineer would go into the device and put in the missing network is what we refer to as the static network, static routing. So with static routing, you go into all the devices and look for the missing networks, and you have to put it on there. So we've done it on this one. Assuming on this one, we need to find the missing network. First of all, on R2, the networks that are known as 172.16.2.0 and then also 172.16.4.0. These are known by R2. But the missing networks that are not known by R2 is the missing ones. Okay, here 172.16.1.0 because it's not on this device. And also this network, which is 172.16.5.0. And then this one, 172.16.3.0. See, these are the missing networks that R2 has to know about.